Let's make this beautiful earring. Gonna need a piece of wood, Mod Podge, matte, Mod Podge, gloss, apple orchard, orange, bright pink rose, winter white, lipstick red, yellow light, stream glitter. I'm gonna use the Mod Podge matte to prime my wood. Y'all, I beaded this one a little different. I had put the bead down here on here. I didn't. I put all 3 beads up top. I always like to have my earrings like different. And to be honest, I wasn't trying to do this way. It just came out this way. So a lot of times with me and art, when it comes out that way, I just leave it like that. Now I'm going to use this Mod Podge gloss to gloss. And I usually put 2 coats on here. Mod Podge has a high gloss, and I haven't tried that, so I'm going to try that one. Done. Check out plaidonline.com. Use code Khadijah123 for 15% off. So long, so long.